Hi guys, welcome back for another weekly video. Today is Sunday when I'm starting this. I actually filmed a little bit yesterday, so I will insert that right here. Today is Saturday and I have this coupon for Old Navy. I bought some baby clothes there a little bit ago and yeah, I got this like $10 off thing to use. Basically, it expires tomorrow. So I'm going to go today and look for a little more baby clothes. Just looking at his drawers right now, these two are newborn sleepers. These are 0 to 3, and then this is going to be 3 to 6 and 6 to 9. So I can kind of see like what I need more of. And then I think I'm going to do like bibs and stuff on this side. And then I need to get more of these organizers. But in this one, this drawer is going to be like his pants and stuff. So this first one is his 0 to 3 month pants. I don't have any 3 to 6 pants. And then his 6 to 9 pants are up here. I just have 3. Then I've got like onesies and just cute little things up here. These are organized in 0 to 3, 3 to 6. And then I don't have a ton of 6 to 9. I do have some stuff hanging up in his closet. So his closet is mostly like I have his sweatshirts in here. This is a newborn one, newborn, and then just like little t-shirts. So this is more like, not like fancy, but you know, like this is a little button up, things like that. Yeah. So I'm still trying to decide what I want to hang up versus put in his dresser. But I feel like cute things like this, like I want to see a little bit better. So I like having them hung up so that I can like actually see them. Okay, so I realized I got home yesterday and I never showed you guys what I got at Old Navy. So I'm going to show you guys that really quick. Okay, so I went in yesterday because I had that coupon that was like spend $25 and get $10 off. So you really only had to spend like $15. So I went in and I had grabbed like 2 things. Oh, and they gave me another one for next month. So you guys should go and get these. But originally, so I had grabbed 2 things. A cute pair of jeans that were $20 and the little pair of pajamas that were $8. Then we got up to the counter and the girl was like, this is only $10. You have to spend $25 to use the coupon. We were like, what? The jeans were only $2. So most of what I got were jeans because we pretty much now have him jeans for his first 1.5 years of life. So I already have a 0 to 3 month pair in his dresser that I thrifted. And then I got a pair of jeans in literally every size. This is the 6 to 12. I mean, are you kidding me? These are so cute. These just kill me. Like roll them up, cuff them, or put them down. Like, they're just so cute. So anyway, got them in a bunch of different sizes. They're so cute. These are a little bit of a different wash. These are the 3 to 6 month ones. Oh, they're so cute. I literally cannot even handle it. And then these are 12 to 18 months. So stinking cute. Anyway, then I just got him 2 pairs of pajamas. These ones are 3 to 6 months. And these ones are 0 to 3 months. It is now the next Saturday. Haven't really filmed all week. Haven't done anything exciting, but we are about to go out for a little date night. Kind of. Pretty much just gonna go out and do who knows what, but yeah, I'll take you guys with me. There's a smile. Got the whole family outside. Spraying my bucket so I can plant flowers. Okay, we are hanging out outside and I have this cute citronella candle that I'm trying out because mosquitoes love me and I'm already getting eaten alive. So we'll see how it works. Okay, Ritter got new treats. It's his first try. Sit. Good boy. Do you like it? Wait, show my bump. 23 weeks. I want to make him do it. Okay, that. I'm just finishing up putting away some groceries, and then I'm gonna go take a shower and probably just read a little bit before bed. But I feel like this video was probably really boring. I didn't really do anything exciting this week, but yeah, I also feel like sometimes I just don't know what you guys want to see from my videos. So if you have any specific suggestions or recommendations or certain type of videos that you like to watch, you should definitely let me know. I don't know if it's too much baby content, if you want more baby content, or if you care what I do in my day-to-day life. Anyway, if you have any sort of preference, I would love to know. So anyway, I will try to have a more exciting or interesting video for next week. But thank you guys so much for watching anyway, if you made it to this point. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!